Do you believe it's possible to solve your toughest manufacturing problems in just 3 days? If you think that sounds crazy, this video is for you. Every company has problems, but in manufacturing, even the tiniest problem can cause colossal damages. Little things like scratches, misprints, leaks, wind noise, dirt. The tiniest things you can't even see can completely break a manufacturing company and put everyone out of a job if it's not fixed immediately. Every day that goes by with an unsolved problem leads to scrapping products, issuing recalls, missing deadlines, and even losing contracts. Does any of this sound familiar? Unsolved problems is like money in the trash. Every manufacturing problem is like a giant weed trying to strangle the life out of your company. An engineer or mechanic may try to chop off the branch that's getting in their way, and they call the problem solved, but watch out. Soon enough, that problem is going to grow back, or maybe it's going to spring up in a new location, because nobody identified the root of the problem before they started whacking away at some branch. Unfortunately, with traditional problem-solving methods, it could take months to find the root cause. You're probably thinking there has to be a better way to solve these problems quickly and move on, right? Me too! And there is! That's why I'm so excited to share my lightning problem-solving methods with you. I have great news. Do you want to know what it is? I have found that by using lightning problem-solving techniques, we can solve 90% of all problems in 3 short days. 3 days! Not 3 years, not 3 months, 3 days. I can't count how many times I walked into a company where the situation seemed hopeless. They've been working the same problem for months, and in some cases for years, losing hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process, and they still couldn't find the root cause. One time, the people even said, I wonder what we're going to do when Tom solves this problem in just 3 days. And then I solved it. One of my favorite stories is when an engineer gave me a stack of papers this thick and said, here's all the math data. And I'm so excited that you're here now so you can spend all your time on this extremely complicated problem. This engineer spent 6 months working this project and just didn't have any more time to spend on it. I politely took that stack of papers and I took them to my desk and hid them because it would take me 3 days just to look through all those papers. After I hid that huge stack of 6 months of papers, I went to the line, I had took data for an hour and a half, and I had the main root cause confirmed by the end of the day. By the end of the day, I'm telling you, lightning problem-solving techniques work. They paid that engineer's salary for 6 months to sit around and gather tons of papers that basically could just be thrown away and the project solved in only 1 day by someone who just knows how to ask the right questions. Another time, there was an MIT grad that worked a project for 3 weeks and still didn't have root cause. The manager waited until he left for a long weekend and gave me the project, and I was able to find the root cause within 2 short days. I love problem solving and everything there is to do with lean manufacturing. All problems are solvable. No problem will surprise me. I'm tired of people telling me how difficult problems are and they can't be solved. But it also makes me excited because I can't wait to show off how easy these problems are solved with the right tools. We're all busy. We all want better quality, lower prices, and make more money. We want to impress our management, our boards, our customers, and I want to show you how. Every project I solved, I asked myself, how could I have solved this project faster? How could I save 1 day or even 1 hour on my project? I'm here to share some of the secrets I've learned to successfully solving your toughest problems lightning fast. I created lightning problem solving to help manufacturing companies like yours, anywhere in the world, to solve their problems, improve their quality, and make more money. Thanks for visiting lightningproblemsolving.com. Be sure to schedule your free consultation, and let's talk about how to reduce your scrap, solve your warranty problems, meet your deadlines, and start bringing in impressive numbers. If you're in manufacturing, I know you have scrap. I know you have defects. I know your quality has room for improvement. And best of all, I know there's definitely a way I can help you. I also have a video blog page full of my most valuable tips on lean manufacturing and problem solving. Absolutely free. So after you schedule your free consultation, be sure to check them out. I'm just here to help you succeed in meeting all of your career goals and maximize your company's profits more than ever before. Every day that you allow a problem to go unsolved is another day that you're throwing away money instead of bringing it home. When your company succeeds, you succeed. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.